everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisode. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today we've got this gorgeous collection of perfect panels and lovely layers. This one is the triangular panels and the rectangle panels, and my friend Debbie made some gorgeous cards. I can't wait to show you, so come play with us. So let me go through each of these for you. This one is the 18-piece rectangular panels die set, and it's got all these fantastic rows and leaves and geometric and stained glass panels, cutting dies. And then this is the 22-piece triangular panel die set, and it's got also wonderful small triangles, large triangles, and geometric and florals. Beautiful cutting dies. And then this fabulous stamp set with all kinds of greetings in it. This one's beautiful verses. Debbie did some really pretty things with those. And then of course we've got this lowercase alphabet, which is fun for monograms and things like that. Oh, and there's 26 pieces in there. And in this one, there's 15-piece filigree fancy die set. And this has got dragonfly and butterflies and doves and hearts and ring, and just beautiful and romantic. So let's look at this first card that Debbie made. This is a gorgeous gatefold card. And for this, she used these filigree doves as well as the heart, and she used like a silver glitter paper that you can get at Paper Wishes, and then she die cut her panels, her rectangle panels, from black cardstock. Well, let's just take these out, take a peek at them. So as you can see, these all fit through like a standard 6x6 platform and larger platforms of manual die cutting machines. So here we go. All these gorgeous pieces, and she used the rose one. I'm looking, here we go. She used the rose panel, and then she used another straight panel with that one. Trying to figure out which one exactly she used. I think it's this one right here. There we go, to make that panel. So of course you have to put that on black cardstock and use one panel over the other to get those cut out specifically into the right size. And then she just made her gatefold card by folding a standard card into the center. Beautiful card and gorgeous for weddings or engagements. And then this is another gorgeous card that Debbie made using the rectangles. For this one she used the floral. There we go. She used this floral piece right here, and then she used a scalloped piece. There we go. Right, not that scalloped piece, Lene. There we go. This scalloped piece to give it a wide mat. Then this is what she came up with. Looks like this. Then she did some inking behind her piece. And I showed you this technique on yesterday's vlog, and Debbie has a completely different take on it, which I love. Okay, so she placed this piece here and she lined it up. Then she took a pencil and I had a pencil. Let me see, I do have a pencil. She took a pencil and she just lightly made some little dash lines from the top, and then when you lift that up, you'll kind of get the area of where to place your ink, which I thought was very clever indeed. Then she took her little dotty applicators here, and these are wonderful, and I love how you put the corresponding color for each one of the daubers here. That is just fantastic. So you always know which color goes where. And she used a little bit of this which color? Here we go. This is the purple set, Cat Eye Cues, and just by coloring it in like this, very simple to do. It's okay if you get outside your lines a little bit. There we go. And then she used a yellow for this one. Yep. All right, and then when she put that right over there, they're just magically colored in the right spots. So I thought that was so clever. Wish I had thought of that technique yesterday. There we go. And then let me show you these other beautiful cards using the triangle panel set. Now, here's one. This is what this panel looks like here. You die cut, make a gatefold for like an invitation, which I'm going to show you what Debbie did here. So you cut these beautiful triangles. Let me move the rectangles out of the way here. I'm going to bring out the triangles. All right, so here she used this beautiful rose cutting die and this scalloped edge here. And they go like this on just the edge of a standard size card. Okay, so like here's the fold. And you would put this right along the fold here. There we go, just like that. Run that through your machine, and then you'll have this beautiful edge. And so you do that twice. There we go. And then you can take this beautiful edge, triangular edges to make a gatefold. What we're going to do is glue this card right here. And then we have the other, we're going to glue that. Right here. All right, so when this is tied with a beautiful length of ribbon as a closure, all about the presentation, right? All right, so now you've got this beautiful closure. Somebody's going to open this, and then they're going to open it here, and inside is your beautiful message. And how great to put on your special day cutting die to use with that. Really, really beautiful. So this technique Debbie used with this card right here. She did this out of black cardstock, obviously. And let me see if I can put a different background here. I'm going to use my mat, good old craft mat, which we're going to be using for this next technique. She made her closure using the lowercase alphabet dies to make this great monogram. Slide that off, and then she made this card in the same way that we did just the white one. Isn't this gorgeous? It has the you're invited, and then when you turn it over, it's got this beautiful butterfly that comes from the Filigree Fancy die set with this beautiful invitation. And she used the stamps right here in the corners with this embellishment. Beautiful. Now, for this beautiful iridescent color, when Debbie made her panel like this, move everything aside here, she did this beautiful technique using the Cosmic Shimmer Opal Blaze polish, and this color is Golden Blackberry, and this one is Gilded Avocado. And to achieve this, go. These little pots, these are just little cream. There we go. And this one is the blackberry, and this is the avocado. So around the outside edge, she did the avocado. There's that beautiful green tinge to it. And she also added that just around the area of the leaves. Clean my brush off. And then I went ahead and added the berry color. Which is this beautiful plum color to it. All right, see if we can check this out. Oh, you know what? There we go. It shows up better against. Gorgeous, right? Okay. So she did the same with the beautiful filigree butterfly, just adding those same colors there. So you guys, there's everything that you can do with this set. So many beautiful cards. I should mention on the inside of this gorgeous card, Debbie also used a greeting here. The most special thing about this card is the person I made it for, which is beautiful sentiment. So as you can see, lots of things to do with it, lots of fun techniques, and we have a great money saver for you on this. So if you're watching this on our Webisode page, just look to your right and there's a box there, and you click on the photo and it'll take you right to the money saver. If you're watching us on YouTube, the money saver link is directly below us on the video in the description box. You click on that link to get to the money saver, and there's also a link to paperwishes.com where you can watch more videos and find lots more fun things to. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.